What's poppin', dogs? Mr. Allen here, and we're going to find the y-intercept for each one of these three quadratic functions. All right, first one here is called standard form or general form, and actually, this is the easiest thing to find from this particular form, because what I need to do here is if I'm getting my y-intercept, if I'm ever getting my y-intercept, it's somewhere along my y-axis here, which means my x value is 0. So I'm going to substitute 0 in, and when I substitute 0 in, f of 0 equals 2 times 0 squared, that's 0, plus 7 times 0, that's 0, and all of a sudden I just have negative 5. So I'm going to have 0 comma negative 5. All right, and if you just remember that with the standard or general form, you're going to be like, oh, boom, there's my y-intercept. But don't be so fast, because sometimes people forget that it's because we substitute 0 in here and 0 in here, and then look at the next one here, which is a vertex form, and they're like, bro, it's just 1. No, it's not just 1, all right? Not so fast. All right, that's your y-coordinate of your vertex. So same process, though. I'm going to plug in 0 for x. So I got g of 0 equals negative 2, and then we got 0 minus 4 squared plus 1. So what's 0 minus 4? That's a negative 4. Squared is 16. So I'm going to have negative 2 times 16 plus 1. That's going to be negative 32 plus 1, which is negative 31. So my answer here for my y-intercept is 0 comma negative 31. Woo! Way different than positive 1, dogs. Way different. Same concept, though. F of 0, g of 0. I wonder what we're going to do for this one. You guessed it, h of 0. All right, we're substituting in 0 for x, because if it's 0 for x, it's somewhere along that y-axis, and that means it's our y-intercept. Dang, that's dope. I love when there's some consistency, and it's not so like random and things like that. We're like, bro, what were these mathematicians thinking? They were thinking, dog. They were like, hey, man, 0 for my x value gets me on my y-axis. That's all I'm saying. All right, negative 1, positive 2. So let's see here. 3 times negative 1 times positive 2. That's going to be negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. So our y-intercept here is going to be 0 comma negative 6. Woo! 1 y-intercept, 2 y-intercept, 3 y-intercepts. That is dope. See you guys later.